Good evening, Lakewood families. My name is Chase Cruz, the principal here at Lakewood. We're so excited to see all of you all of our returning students and our new students. Our open house is tonight from 5 to 7. And again, stop by and see us. It's going to be a great school year.
All right, I'm Bobby Singer. I'm with the Upward Soccer Program, which is put on by the White Mills Christian Church. And this is our 14th year of putting on the Upward Soccer Program down at the White Mills Community Park.
How many teams participate in it?
Typically, I mean, there's different age groups. You got the kindergarten and first graders. They're usually second, third graders, and then third, fourth, and fifth graders, and then they all way up through the sixth grade. So there's usually around 90 to 100 kids, and there's usually 8 to 10 teams.
That's good. And do they get to compete against other groups?
What's that now?
Do they get to compete against other groups?
They compete against. There'll be 2 or 3 teams in each division, and they'll play against each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do they become part of this league?
Well, they have to come to the evaluations, which is on August 11th, and then we run them through a series of timed drills, and then they kind of judge their level of expertise, and then they put them on different teams and try to make the teams as even as possible.
Okay.
And then the practice starts on the 24th of August.
Hello, my name is Ethan McDaniel. I am part of the Pack and Troop 233, and we are here to recruit for the Pack.
Okay, what is the pack?
The Pack is for people younger than 5th grade. After 5th grade, they become part of Scouting America. Cub Scouts goes from Lion to Arrow of Light, and then they progress to Boy Scouts. I like being part of Scouting America because I get to do fun things like camping, fishing, hiking. We get to go to all kinds of cool places, and it's a lot of fun.
Hi, my name is Sadie Hess, and I'm here with Kentucky FCA, and I'm just here to get people signed up for our FCA meetings every Tuesday morning from 7:30 to 8.
All right. So, what exactly is FCA?
FCA stands for Fellowship of Christian Athletes, and it's a club really just centered around bringing not only athletes, but everybody just to Christ and just having Christian influence in the schools.
Okay. How do they join or become?
So how you join FCA is super simple. You have your parents fill out this permission slip, and if you have multiple kids, you can fill out the same permission slip for all of them. It's all good. And all you do is sign up and show up.
So I see it here in elementary. Does it go all the way through to high school?
Yes, it goes all the way through college.
Okay. And anything you want to add?
No, I think that's all good.
What do you like about it?
I just love how there's so many opportunities within FCA. I got to start one at the high school level, which was super cool, and there's one all the way down at the elementary school level, and it's just super inclusive of everybody too. And all you have to do to bring them is sign a permission slip. And we dance, we worship, play games, all that stuff before school.
Okay, could I get that info?
Yes. Here is, yes.
My name is Mr. Harden. I'm here at Lakewood Elementary, and we are meeting the new students this year and trying to get them lined up with where they're going to be getting picked up and dropped off and ready for a great year. So hope to see you guys soon.
What about this new app? I hear about that.
The new app is actually really cool. You can get more information from someone else, but you can go into this app and you can set time zones up for where we go through your area, and you can set a reminder, and when we pull through, it'll send you a notification on your phone, say, hey, get the kids outside. You can set another one that says, hey, we really need to get them outside, and then you can probably even have one that says you're too late and you got to drive them.